So I just got a new keyboard. It's satisfying. Yeah. Yeah. So this is Bluetooth. So this is me editing right now. So the thing is not Bluetooth because I already know Bluetooth, but the package say it has Bluetooth. Yeah, I don't know why the packaging is just stupid. Oh my god, just straight to video. Yeah. How do you open this? Okay. Ooh. So it comes with warranty, I think. I don't know. I don't think it's warranty, but there's the wire. Jeez. Okay. So this is Type C, I think. Yeah, Type C. Sheesh, god damn. Okay, let me hook it up to my computer first. So I have the keyboard right here, and wait, I'm gonna turn the light off. Okay, so you can see much more better now. So there's like things over here, so you can see how fast I type. So let's go. Oh wait, okay. It's a little bit hard to type because the camera pole is over here. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, you can just hear that, and it's quite good quality. You can switch your lightings. Yeah, it's better than nothing. Oop. Okay, yeah. So anyways, bye bye.